Good morning, TK. It's time for another fine motor lesson. Today, you are going to need to find this piece of paper in your materials bag. We're going to start working with our pencil. You will also need a popsicle stick, okay? And your crayons and your set of markers, all right? So, today we're going to be working on making horizontal line going from left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay, so why don't you take your hand, okay, and trace it with me. Go left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Perfect. Okay, so did you notice that there are spaces between each dot? When we write, we like to leave spaces between words so that it makes it easy for us to read. And that's where this popsicle stick comes in handy. This is going to be your spaceman. So go ahead and get your popsicle stick and take out a marker. And you know what? Go ahead and decorate your stick. You're going to turn him into a spaceman. So I'm going to give my stick some eyes here. Make some eyes, maybe a happy face. I'll give him some eyebrows and maybe hair that sticks out. Okay, there's his neck. All right. Okay, maybe I'll give him some buttons for his shirt. There we go. There. And I like to wear shorts, so my spaceman is going to wear shorts. This is before he goes out to outer space. Okay, but you see my spaceman? Yeah, well, my spaceman is going to help me. He's going to remind you, aren't you, Mr. Spaceman? He's going to remind me that I need a space between each line. And later on, when we start writing, Spaceman is going to help us to remember that we need a space between every single word, okay? So, are you done coloring your spaceman? Good, go ahead and cap your marker. Make sure it's a click, okay, and put it away. So now, let's talk about holding our pencil. So here's my pencil. What I want you to do is take your 3 fingers. We've been working on these 3 fingers a lot, right? I want you to take these 3 fingers and I want you to hold. You can go ahead and let the pencil, the sharp side, face that way. And I want you to take your 3 fingers and I want you to hold right where the paint and the wood is. You see that? Right where the painting, okay? The orange paint on the pencil and the wood is. I'm gonna hold it like that. So the eraser is sticking out. Okay, now, do you see how these 2 fingers down here are kind of tucked into the palm? Go ahead, tuck them in, okay? Now, you take this finger and you're going to turn. Watch, I'm just going to push the pencil until it rests on my index finger right here, okay? And now you go ahead and just adjust it, and that's how you hold a pencil. You can hold a pencil like this, or if you'd like, you can take this middle finger and put it underneath the pencil so to give it an extra support right there, okay? So it can look like this, or it can look like this. Those are the 2 different ways I'd like you to try to hold your pencil, all right? Miss Boo, I change back and forth. If I get tired of holding it like this, then I put this finger down and I hold it like this. So go ahead and try it. Are you ready? Let's try it together. Again, okay. Pick up your pencil in your helping hand. Form like a 3-finger, ooh, octopi here, octopus tentacle thing. Okay, ready? Grab onto your pencil right where the border of the paint and the wood is. Just grab onto it, just like that. Ready? Now make sure these 2 fingers are tucked into the palm, not out. Tuck them in, tuck them in. Okay, ready? Take your helping hand and turn that pencil all the way. So now it's resting on your hand, okay? Now, readjust your fingers. There you go. I think I'm gonna start writing with my middle finger supporting underneath the pencil. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to start at the dot, and from the left to right, I'm gonna make a line. And then did you see how there is a space right there? And then there's another dot, left to right. Go ahead, go trace it, left to right, and move that spaceman as you go, left to right. Even though they've already done it for you, I want you to keep practicing moving that spaceman so that you get into the habit of using the spaceman and of giving yourself a space between words. Okay, so here we go again. Left to right, horizontal line. Put my spaceman in there, left to right. Move my spaceman, left to right. Move my spaceman, left to right. Okay, so I want you to do it for the rest of the page. But if you look down here, this very bottom line, right, it has a dot right here, left to right, and I'm gonna put my spaceman in there, left to right. Now it's empty. That's for you to try on your own. So what you wanna do is move that spaceman over, okay, and then make your line left to right. Move that spaceman over, make your line left to right. Okay, same thing on this bottom line. All right, so when you're done, all of these dotted lines should be traced, and the 4 empty ones you should do also. Okay, when you're done with that, we have been working on outlining. So I want you to go ahead and outline the sun, the cloud, and the, oh, that's not the cloud. Is that the cloud? That might be the fume from the bus. Okay, I want you to outline it in marker, and then I want you to color inside, just like we've been doing. Okay, so first I'm going to outline the sun. So maybe I'll use orange. Remember, we're gonna share the sun, orange and yellow crayon. So I'm going to outline, outline, outline. Once I'm done outlining, then I can color. There we go. How about I'll color the inside of the sun yellow. And look at, the sun is beautiful. It's sharing the colors orange and yellow. Maybe I'll even have it share the color red. What do you think about that? What if I did a little bit of red around? Ooh, the sun lately has sort of looked red near sunset, huh? All right, so when you're done outlining and coloring everything, you are done, okay? Remember, left to right. Okay, go practice. Bye-bye.